A routine traffic stop for window tint escalates into a felony-level confrontation. This analysis highlights the moment a driver's refusal to follow a simple lawful order turns a minor citation into an arrest.
My dad told me the same thing, but
I gotcha.
the LASIK eye surgery guy recommended it.
Okay, I got you. Do you have your insurance with you and your license, ma'am?
I have my license, but I'm going to have to call my husband to get a copy of my...
Illegal tint. The car had 30% tint, 70% required by law. Medical excuses like eye surgery don't override state vehicle safety standards for equipment violations.
Okay, who's your insurance through?
No, it's a local one in the Dells.
It's a local one in the Dells?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have your license? Can I see it, please?
Yeah.
Where are you living right now?
In the Dells.
Okay, I gotcha.
We came to pick up a cake from Dairy Queen for my son's birthday.
Okay, I gotcha. Thank you.
I'm going to grab my phone just so that I can call my husband.
Yeah, where's your phone at? Okay, I gotcha. Can you do me a solid? Can you roll your window up to about right here for me, please? Okay. How long have you had this car?
3 years.
Okay, I'm just going to try to clean off a little bit of the salt.
Oh, that probably isn't going to happen.
Try to. Did you guys put the tint on yourself, or did you guys did it come with it? Okay.
Which was actually part of the reason we bought it.
Okay.
Hi. I'm over in Garraboo with the officer's name, but I need a copy of our insurance.
It's Maginot. Maginot. Yep. So it's only allowing 30% light in. Okay, for a sedan like this, you need at least let 70% light in. So obviously, it's tinted way more than it's supposed to be. Okay.
Right. You pulled me over for no tint, but I need a copy of our insurance.
Can you open this door for me, please? Thank you.
No time, thank you.
Okay. I'm looking for... I don't see it.
We bought the car out of Minnesota.
Okay. Can I roll this window up?
Yes.
You bought it out of Minnesota?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the AS2. So it's supposed to be at least 70%. Any cannabis tonight?
No.
Have you ever smoked cannabis?
I've definitely smoked cannabis. I'm 34 years old, but not this evening. No.
Not this evening. When was the last time you smoked?
I don't know. Probably yesterday or the day before that.
Okay.
I mean, this is a little excessive for tint.
Well, no, I don't believe it is, ma'am.
This is my insurance card that expires today. Actually, oh no, wait, that might have said 2023.
It does say 2023.
Oh, well.
Is it still through State Farm?
Yeah.
Okay. You haven't smoked any cannabis recently?
No, not today.
Okay. Is there any cannabis in the vehicle?
There probably is cannabis in the vehicle.
Where in the vehicle would it be?
My aunt has cancer, so she travels with it like all the time. She's from
Probable cause. The driver admitted there was marijuana in the car. In Wisconsin, this admission gives officers probable cause to search the vehicle without the owner's consent.
Illinois.
Okay, I got it. Still in the state of Wisconsin, there's no medical exemption for cannabis. Okay? No, we don't have a medical exemption in the state of Wisconsin.
She just got approved for her medical card.
Okay, that doesn't apply to going across state though. If you that still have to stay in Illinois, okay?
I didn't realize it didn't.
I got you. Do you have it on you? Are you the one? Are you the one with the cannabis? How much do you have on you? Okay, I got you.
You know the old film canisters?
Okay. Yeah, it's just in there. Where in the vehicle is it? Right there. Do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
224 status.
224 stock. I'm okay, busy. I'll take a second routine.
Obviously, if I did have a screenshot of it, it would be expired as well. So.
Okay. I got you. Give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back, alright? I'm going to close this door, okay? Can you just roll down your window? You can leave it up for now. What I would like you to do for the time being is I want you to pull into this church parking lot right here, okay? Because it's a flat ground, alright? Okay, there's some weed in the car. The passenger is, older, an older lady. Okay. She has a medical card of Illinois. I wasn't gonna cite her or anything, but the driver advised that she used it a couple days ago. So I would definitely want to look through her through fields to make sure she's okay. Okay. He's in for a stop with the kid.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. So how much cannabis is in the vehicle right now?
She said that she has a small vial, is what she said.
Okay. Do you have anything that's yours?
You cannot search my vehicle.
Okay.
And this is a little excessive for window tint at 7 o'clock at night on a fucking Friday.
So I don't believe it is, okay, because we got a couple of things here. I got the unmistakable odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. You got the admission that there's marijuana coming from the vehicle, which does give me probable cause to search this vehicle. So that is what I would like to do next, okay?
I'm not giving you permission.
That's fine. I don't need your permission at this point, ma'am.
I do believe that you do.
I do not, okay? Can I have you hop out of the vehicle for me, okay?
No.
Okay, if you're going to be refusing my lawful order, then you could be arrested for obstruction.
I understand that, and it's a ticketed fine.
The exit order under Pennsylvania versus Mims, police can legally order any driver out of a vehicle during a stop. Refusal here is obstruction, not protecting your rights.
No, that's taking you to jail, ma'am. And I do not want to be doing that right now, okay?
Please don't do that.
I agree.
Don't.
So that's why I'm asking you to exit the vehicle, please.
I'm telling you that you cannot search my vehicle.
Okay, I understand you don't give me consent to search your vehicle, ma'am. That is fine. But I have the legal ability to search your vehicle based off the admission of marijuana being in the vehicle. And also
she has it in her purse. She told you that.
Okay. I can still search the vehicle.
That is unnecessary. It is 4 degrees out. And my aunt weighs 70 pounds.
Then you guys can have a seat in one of our squad cars where we have heat.
No.
Okay? These are the options I'm giving you. The other thing is, if you refuse to step out of the vehicle, then I will be placing you under arrest for obstruction. Now, I prefer not to go that route. Okay? I would prefer you just to exit the vehicle, allow me to search it, allow me to conclude my investigation, and we can...
What? You're going to take us to jail anyway, you think?
For what?
Are you kidding me? Because you're pulling me over for window tint.
Yes, that is a valid stop in the state of Wisconsin.
That is ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous, and you're bored. No. You do not open my door. You do not open my door. I'm calling my husband. I'm calling my husband.
Stop.
Do not f***ing touch me.
Stop.
Do not f***ing touch me.
You just slammed my hand in your door.
No,
we're past this point now.
Are you kidding me?
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm calling my husband.
You don't have that chance.
The phone fallacy. The driver tried to call her husband instead of exiting. You have no legal right to a phone call during an active investigation. Delaying is considered resisting.
I am calling my husband.
Step out of the vehicle, please.
He has his hand on me right now.
No. I don't know if there's firearms or anything in the vehicle.
Why the
vehicle. You're under arrest.
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Step out, or we're going to rip you out of the vehicle.
I want to call my husband.
You don't have that option right now.
That's not this point, okay?
I'm going to give you 2 seconds.
Please grab my phone. Don't pull my hair.
Step out of the vehicle.
Do not pull my
hair.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
This is the definition of resisting.
You're under arrest for resisting now.
I wouldn't get out of my car in 4 degrees.
We gave you a legal order. You have to follow it.
No. You give me the option to call my husband.
No, that's not nowhere it says that we have to do that.
Anyone just
firearms. Are you kidding
We don't know who you are.
Are you kidding me?
And you're not complying up to this point.
Oh, because you don't know who I am? That means that we are two
Ma'am, you want to
females.
just stay over there, please? Can you just stay over there for me?
We are two females.
It doesn't matter. Females can kill anybody. Okay?
pounds.
And you didn't listen to one word we said. We gave you how many options?
Safety versus gender. The driver argued she wasn't a threat as a female. Officers are trained to follow safety protocols based on behavior and compliance, regardless of gender.
Options. So now you're going to jail.
Just got here, first of all.
I've been
and
here.
he grabbed me by the wrist, and you
told
pulled
you to
me
get
by
out.
my coat and my hair.
I said if you did not get out, I was going to rip you out of the car. Did I not?
I do not give
And you sat there.
Well,
I
at this
didn't
point,
just
you're
sit
under
there.
arrest.
I did not just sit there.
Do you have any weapons, real knives, anything like that? Anything that's going to stick or harm us?
No.
Do you have any internal pockets?
No. It is 4 degrees out.
Okay. And you're making this worse. You could have been sitting in one of our squads.
No, thank you.
Well, you're going to now. You're going to jail.
My squad's over there.
I thought they were... Are you kidding me right now? You gotta be kidding me.
Every option.
every option except for calling my husband.
You didn't have that option.
Exactly. What the? A couple bored caribou cops that aren't even out there doing anything. Shut the fuck up.
Man, I'm gonna put a seatbelt on here, okay?
That's not a great idea. Excuse you.
Ma'am? So I'm gonna have you hop out of the vehicle, okay? If you want, because it's cold out, I understand it's cold out, I'm gonna have you sit in my partner's car. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you leave your purse in the car, though? Yeah, you can take your phone. That's fine, ma'am.
I'm sorry about the back and forth. We had enough dealing with her, and I know it's cold. All right. So I'm going to have you come back in my squad, unless you want to stand out here, but I'm guessing you don't.
No,
it's cold.
thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, Serge.
She's going to call somebody. She said she doesn't have a medical marijuana card.
Oh.
So when I asked when she had smoked, and she didn't tell me. So.
Okay.
Obviously, I don't want her to.
I'm not planning on citing the passenger at all. She's been more than reasonable. The driver has some in her purse. So let me make sure I can ID that this is her purse.
Sounds like they're on their way back to the Dell.
Okay.
Passenger.
She hasn't smoked recently, has she? Here's the keys to the car.
Okay.
She says that the aunt can take the car.
Okay. This is Aunt.
This is Aunt, yeah. I'm going to take her up to the jail, book her in, cite her. I'm probably just going to see if there's an OWI investigation with it.
Yeah, I would too.
Are you okay sticking out here, though?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Pathetic. Just because you want to make a point? Are you kidding me?
Ma'am, I asked you politely to exit the vehicle, and you did not comply.
No, because there was no reason for it. It is 4 degrees out. You think I have sharp objects on me?
I don't know what you have on
around
you.
with a 70-year-old lady who weighs 70 pounds, sick, with a birthday cake in my trunk.
Ma'am, I don't know what you have on you.
Well, I know that you're pathetic. Now you know what I have because you searched my whole on a birthday cake. And my 70-pound aunt who is dying that you have out in the fucking cold.
Okay.
Not that you give a shit, but it matters to me.
Hey.
My aunt admitted that she had pot.
And you admitted that you used marijuana within the last 24 hours as well.
Yesterday or the day before that?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? This is complete
So,
bullshit.
why don't we go over here? Okay.
I'll blow in a breathalyzer.
Well, the breathalyzer, I'm not doing field spot.
Refusal penalties. Kayla refused the blood test. Under implied consent laws, this usually triggers an automatic license suspension, regardless of the eventual court verdict.
Sobriety for alcohol. I'm doing field sobriety for marijuana.
And if you can't tell that I have marijuana in my system, then I'm not under arrest for OWI.
Well, you're under arrest for OWI right now if you refuse to stand as field sobriety. So, if you want to do field sobriety, that's okay. I'm willing to...
I'm super pissed off right now. Do you think that I can pass a field sobriety test? Like, do you think that any of this is even...
I people do field sobriety all the time, man.
I feel like I'm your first one. Like, I'm your little catch of the day. Like,
nope. All right, so you don't want to do field sobriety?
No, I don't.
Okay, that's fine. We'll go inside.
Okay, great.
In addition, your operating privileges will be suspended if a detectable amount of a restricted controlled substance is in your blood. So will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood?
I feel like all of this is forced. All of this is forced.
It's either yes or no question, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand that.
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood?
No.
Okay, sounds good.
You want this door shut?
You can keep it open for now. You can take a seat. So before asking any questions, I must advise you of your constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult the lawyer before questioning and have a lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you at public expense before or during any questioning. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
You mind if I ask you some questions?
Yes.
I can ask you questions?
No, I would like to have a lawyer present because this is a complete bullshit pull over. This is pathetic.
Well, can I ask you what even happened?
He pulled me over for a window tint at night
as I'm driving like past the fairgrounds, we came to town to get a birthday cake for my son. Like, what? He pulled me over for window tint, and then like basically stuck a machine inside of my window and was like, it's only allowing 30%. So I'm like, I had LASIK eye surgery. Like, we bought the car with the specific purpose of having the windows tinted. And then he's like, can you move your car up to that church parking lot where it's level ground? So gave me permission to drive the car, even though he just told me that it's legal to drive the car. Asked about weed, and my aunt is terminally ill and smokes weed. And she's from Illinois, and she has a medical card. So he was like, where's the weed? Or whatever, cannabis, whatever he was calling it. And she points like at her purse. And so she admitted to having the weed, and then he asked me to step out of the vehicle, and I told him no, that he's not searching my car, I'm not getting out of the vehicle, and then they arrested me for resisting. And the other guy, the no-soul ginger man that came out of nowhere, grabbed me up like, what the f*** came out of nowhere, and was telling me that they were telling me to get out of the car, and they, and we, and this, and that. I'm like, you just out here, like, what are you doing handling me up like that? He's like, we don't know who you are. So the if you knew who I was, you wouldn't handle me like that? He's like, we don't know if you're armed and dangerous.
Why didn't you just get out of the car?
Because why am I getting out of the car? It's 4 degrees out.
But the odor of marijuana is still probable cause.
My aunt said she had it.
Okay, but as a law enforcement officer, people lie to us all the time, right?
But isn't that admission, not denial?
It's still probable cause to search the vehicle, is what I'm saying. So him asking you to step out is a lawful order. And just like, you don't want me asking any questions besides
I'm already a bird, obviously, huh?
Well, that has nothing to do with me asking you questions.
The situation ends with charges of disorderly conduct, possession of THC, and OWI. This serves as a harsh lesson. Arguing over window tint or refusing to exit a vehicle will not stop a search. It will only guarantee you a trip to jail.